In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M15 and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing options. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. When you're ready, select General Management. Then just click on Samsung keyboard settings and as you can see all typing options are over here. To manage them, click on the switchers next to the chosen ones or tap on the chosen one and adjust it. When you finished with all of those, scroll down just a bit and click on more typing options to manage them the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!